Welcome to an introduction to Oracle JavaScript Extension Toolkit, a beginner's guide. What is Oracle JET? Think of Oracle JET as a pre-packaged toolbox for building websites and web applications. Instead of creating everything from scratch, Oracle JET gives you ready-made building blocks like buttons, menus, and charts that you can use to create professional-looking applications faster. Oracle JET stands for Oracle JavaScript Extension Toolkit. It's free to use, open source, built by Oracle, and designed to help you create modern, interactive websites and apps. Why should you care about Oracle JET? Number 1. Ready-made components save time. Imagine you're building a house. Would you rather cut every brick yourself or use pre-made bricks and focus on designing your dream home? Oracle JET gives you those pre-made bricks for websites, charts and graphs to display data visually, tables to organize information in rows and columns, and forms for collecting user input, like login forms or surveys. Number 2. Works everywhere. Your application will work smoothly on desktop computers, tablets, and smartphones. Oracle JET automatically adjusts the layout to fit different screen sizes, no extra work required. Number 3. Enterprise ready. Enterprise means it's powerful enough for big companies. Oracle JET includes features that professional businesses need: data security, support for multiple languages, performance optimization, and accessibility features, making apps usable for people with disabilities. Key features explained simply. Robust UI components. UI means user interface, basically everything you see and interact with on a screen. Oracle JET provides dozens of pre-built components that you can customize to match your design. Data binding. This is like having a live connection between your data and what users see. When your data changes, the display updates automatically, no manual refreshing needed. Example, if you have a shopping cart, when someone adds an item, the total price updates instantly. Responsive design. Your website automatically rearranges itself to look good on any screen size, from tiny phones to large desktop monitors. Modular architecture. Think of this like Lego blocks. You can build small, reusable pieces of code, combine them in different ways, and reuse the same piece in multiple places. This keeps your code clean and easier to work with as your application grows. Localization and internationalization. Need your app in Spanish, French, or Japanese? Oracle JET makes it easy to translate your application for different countries and languages. Extensibility. You're not locked in. You can add your own custom components, integrate other libraries, and build specialized features unique to your needs. How Oracle JET is organized. The MVVM pattern. Oracle JET uses something called MVVM. Don't let the fancy name scare you. It's just a way to keep things organized. Model, the data manager, stores your application's data, handles retrieving information, like fetching data from a database, manages data operations. Think of it as the filing cabinet where all your information is stored. View, what users see. The visual part, buttons, text, images, colors, what users interact with directly. Think of it as the storefront window display. View model, the coordinator, connects the model and view, handles the logic, like when user clicks this button, do that, manages data binding. Think of it as the manager who takes orders from customers, view, and communicates with the warehouse, model. This separation keeps your code clean and easier to work with as your application grows. Essential components you'll use. Charts. Create visual representations of data, like bar charts comparing values side by side, line charts showing trends over time, pie charts showing parts of a whole. Tables. Display data in organized rows and columns with features like sorting, arrange by name, date, etc., filtering, show only what you need, pagination, split large datasets into pages. Forms. Collect user input with text boxes, checkboxes, select multiple options, radio buttons, select one option, drop-down menus. Routing. Create single-page applications where users can navigate between different sections without the page reloading. It's like having multiple pages within one page, smoother and faster. Why developers love Oracle JET. Number 1. Faster development. Pre-built components means less coding. Number 2. Strong support. Large community of developers, plenty of tutorials and documentation. Number 3. Integration with Oracle products. Works seamlessly with Oracle databases and cloud services. Number 4. Professional results. Create applications that look and work like those from big companies. You don't need to be an expert to start with Oracle JET. If you know basic HTML, structure of web pages, CSS, styling and colors, JavaScript, making pages interactive, you're ready to begin exploring Oracle JET and building your own applications. Oracle JET is like having a professional web development assistant that provides you with quality tools, handles the complex stuff automatically, and lets you focus on creating great user experiences.